This episode brought to you by coffee. It's delicious. No, but seriously though, you guys know I don't post a ton a lot. I'm not like an everydayer guy. I'm like a whenever something strikes me kind of guy. And most of the time I'm doing work for the shop. So, for my store. So, you guys don't want to see me build the same table a whole bunch of times. But people keep ordering, so I keep building them. But occasionally I do other stuff too. Like, I restored the hand plane a couple months back, and I needed a screw for that. And I found the screw in a very good place. So, I figure I'd bring you over here, put you back up above the bench here. I'll show you a bunch of cool stuff I found over the past couple months. And I do need help with what I should do with some of this stuff. Alright. So, I've been busy collecting things. As you guys know that watch this channel occasionally, a couple months back, I redid this hand plane right here. This is out of my dad's shop. I redid it, made it look all pretty, but it was missing the screw that goes right there. So, let's put that out right. So, while I was out at a garage sale the other day, you can see the things I found. They also came with a bunch of irons, a chip breaker, a big ass one, which is bigger than the one I have. It might be a replacement for that guy. Yeah, it looks like it's a replacement for the number 7. So this has a screw in it. So we're going to steal this screw off this. I haven't tried this yet, so let's see if it comes out. Yeah, it came right out. There. Hey, there we go. I got it. I fixed it. It's all better. Now it's a complete plane. I can use it. I just gotta adjust the height of the iron there. So now let's move on to the stuff I got. And also I got all these, just random miscellaneous irons. One of them looks like it's for that 7 that's back there. And this one might be for that 7 as well. Let's see. But it's been well used, as you can see. This is a Stanley made in the USA. And this one is a Stanley made in the USA. This was a Stanley Sweetheart. This Stanley made in the USA. And this chip breaker is just a chip breaker. So, that's all we got. So, in this package deal, this plane, this one right here, I got this guy. Let's see, right here. I got this guy off Facebook for $10, and I did a little research on it. It's a Sargent Hercules, which is like the one I restored, but this is considered the John Deere of planes because of the green and the yellow. I paid $10 for this. It needs to be this one. I will definitely do a little restoration on it like I did the other one, because I might as well be consistent. Okay, now we'll move on to this little guy. This guy came with these 2 planes back here. It's just a number 110. It's like a $10 plane, just a little guy. I've got 2 more of them up there that are a little bit newer. This one's a little older. I don't know, I like this big old wheel on the back, but I mean, it's cool. But it came in a package deal. Like, this handle's totally shattered and stuff like that. So, package deal came with it. So now, what do we want to do? Do we want to do the box or do these guys? Let's do the box. Okay. So I was cleaning out an artist's studio, and I bought a whole bunch of stuff from this guy. Just tons and tons of crap. Lots of storage bins, lots of like jeweler's vices, and just a whole bunch of stuff. But in there, sitting over there, was this box with this little plane logo on it. It's a record plane. You open it up, and it's brand spanking new. I use it already. I used it once. But it is brand spanking new. There is nothing but dust on this plane. I just sharpened it yesterday. It's got the right thing, record, tungsten, vanadium steel, made in England. It's all shiny. It's number 5. It's in perfect condition. It's in the box. It comes with a spare iron. It is crazy good. Like this marking, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like a tiger stripe pattern on that. That's from the paper that it was wrapped in where it dried out. It left marks on the side of the stuff. So it had been sitting there for a long time. So it is in the box. And the only reason I used this one is because I didn't have the screw for that one yet to use that for what I needed it for. So I had to actually pull this thing out and use it. And I'm pretty sure it was the first time it had ever been used. Now, here we start getting into quandaries. So now we have a Bailey, a Stanley, made in the USA. And I did a little research on this one. This is a Type 19. It was made between 1948 and 1961. Type 19 number 5. The problem with this, all right, so it needs love, obviously. But I have a number 5 that's brand new in the box that I just showed you. I have a number 5 that I restored. So, question 1. This one, the handles are in really good condition. It just needs, I think it just surface stuff, really. Like this, the chip, the hold down thing here is really good. Maybe just needs a little bit of a polish. Probably just a clean. I mean, it's really good condition. Like it's not broken up. It's not anything. There's a little bit, the bottom needs to be taken care of a little bit here. Like you can see right here. But, I don't know. So I don't know what to do with this one. This is question 1. Do I refurbish the number 5 and keep it? Refurbish the number 5 and sell it? Or just sell the number 5 as is and let somebody else do with it? Because I already have 2 other number 5s, one of which being my father's, one of which brand new in the box. And this one isn't particularly old. It's post-war. It's 48 to 61. So that is question 1. What do I do with this Bailey number 5? Now, golly. Now we have this giant, bad boy here. This is a Bailey number 7. By research that I have done, it is a Type 14, number 7. It was made between 1929 and 1930. It has a flat, non-corrugated bottom. The handle is in great shape. It has been used. It has 1 patent number underneath back here that you guys can't see, and I can't even imagine to try to get to. I haven't even taken the thing apart. It's just been sitting there staring at me in all its glory. My workbench is not exactly flat, so I can't tell if that's got a twist or it's just something in the bench. Now, question 2. I don't have one of these. Same questions as the other one. I don't have one of these, and they're not making new ones of these. And this one, I don't know, like it's the year that, like 29 to 30. They only made these for 1 year. Does that make them more rare? I don't know. So what do I do with this plane? Do I keep it in the original condition that it's in and keep it? If I keep it, I'm going to want to use it. So it's restore and keep, restore and sell, sell as is. Those are my options. There are the planes that I got at the garage sale, various garage sales. So, the number 5, do I refurbish it and sell it, or sell it as is? The number 7, big joiner bad boy, refurbishes and sell it, refurbish it and keep it, or sell it as is and use the money to buy a tool I would use more often, because I'm not, like, it's cool, I like it, I kind of want it, but I don't need it all the time. I could better, from what I can gather from eBay, I could probably sell it, use that money for something else that I would use more often. So that's what I need help with, internet. Also, crazy enough, nearing 2,000 followers. Crazy. So if you could do me a solid and one, share the video, just because I need advice as to what to do with these planes, and two, I think we only need like 7 more people to hit 2,000, and wow, 2,000! Only like a whole lot more to go before, something. I don't even know. I just do this for fun. So let me know in the comments below what I should do with the number 5 and the number 7. And when I hit 2,000, I will do whatever I do with those, and I will let you know. Either I'll sell them and we'll do a video about selling stuff on the internet and taking photos and stuff like that, or I will refurbish them, and probably the only one I'm going to refurbish for certain is is that Hercules one, the John Deere one, just because it's a smaller plane. I don't have one of those, and it matches the one I already have. The number 5, I'm either going to refurbish and sell, or refurbish and sell, or just sell as is. So that one's pretty much out the door. The number 7, it's the same deal. Either refurbish and use it, refurbish and sell it, or just sell it as is and let someone else refurbish it, which I'm okay with letting them do that. So let me know in the comments below what I should do with the number 5 and the number 7. Thanks for watching this little plane without any planes, because English is fun. Have a good Thursday, people.